Hello friends, this question from test series number 4. Subject name is electromagnetic theory, topic name is electromagnetic field. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says that given a non-uniform electric field E is equal to YAX, XAY, 2Z, determining the work experience in a carrying a 2 coulomb from 011 to 0.6.8, 1 along a shorter arc of circle x square plus y square is equal to 1, keeping z is equal to 1 constant. Okay, we know that so the electric field is a conservative field, so the area work done by the electric field is only depend upon the it only depends upon the initial and final location, so that is equal to B to A E dot dl. Okay, the question says that you need to follow the particular path, so okay, we'll follow that particular path only. So dl will be here equal to the dx times ax, because we have the coordinates in 3 dimensions, times dy times az plus dz times az. Okay, now just put the expression of the dl and put the expression of the electric field here. So you will have minus 2, the value of the charge, times initial locations b to a times yax plus xay plus 2az, okay, times dxax. Okay, put the cap everywhere, plus dyay plus dzaz. Okay, make the dot product, and we know that ax dot ax is 1 and ax dot ay is 0 and ay dot az is 0. Okay, so just put it and you will have minus 2 times 0 to 0.6 times y dx minus 2 1 to 0.8 of x of dy minus 1 4 times 1 to 1 of dz. Okay, now this is a simple calculation of the integral. The only thing is that this y we can change using the relation, because I know that I'm following this arc, so my x square plus y square is equal to 1. So if I want y in terms of x, so I can get the value of yx under root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, I can get the value of x. I can get the value of x in terms of y as x is equal to under root of 1 minus y square. So this put this value of y and x here. It's minus 2 0 to 0.6 under root of 1 minus x square dx minus 2 of 1 to 0.8 under root of 1 minus y square dy minus 0. Okay, so just calculate the integral and you will get the total work done as minus 0.96 joules. Minus 0.96 joule is the work done. The work done is in the minus, option is D. Work done in the minus means that actually you are not doing work. Work is the system has done the work on you. Actually you are getting the energy. Okay, so because of the part travel by you, okay, you are going towards the source, so you are actually getting the energy instead of the energy supplying by you, that actually system is providing energy to you. Okay, so that's the significance of minus sign here. Okay, thank you.